How to find account settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, this one, click on it and then just go down until you find settings and click on it. And as you see here, you can find account settings on Facebook Lite, like personal and account information, or password and security, or payments. And that's how to find account settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.